Imagine beginning each morning with a natural detox drink designed to flush out toxins, boost your energy, and enhance your skin's radiance. Many typical morning routines rely on caffeine or sugary beverages, which can lead to energy crashes and dull complexion. The Morning Detox Elixir offers a healthier alternative, combining fresh lemon juice, ginger, turmeric, and warm water. To prepare, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass, add a teaspoon of grated ginger and a pinch of turmeric, then pour in warm water and stir well. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and supports liver function, ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation, while turmeric provides powerful antioxidants. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to cleanse the body and invigorate your system. Studies show that regular consumption of these nutrients can improve skin clarity, increase vitality, and support overall wellness. By making this ritual part of your daily routine, you may notice clearer skin and sustained energy throughout the day. Stay tuned for more natural health topics, including easy recipes and holistic wellness tips.